dark and lovely. Art is beautiful. Culture is a statement. It defines our people. Dimma Arts and Crafts. We capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful. Culture is a statement. It defines our people. Dimma Arts and Crafts. We capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely.
Guys, I started something. I was like, let me see, what's this? Today you'll be fetching water with me today. I remember those days. Those days was very fun. Yeah. Now, self, I didn't even know that. I wasn't even expecting this road to be this neat like this. Like, seriously. I was thinking the road would be bad, but kudos to our people. Like, they did a good job here. Very neat and clean. Like, then if you want to go to fetch water, you'll be scared. Like, you'll be scared of snake, this, and that. But here, like, the road is very neat. Like, you can even sight snake from afar. So I saw this, I don't know, forgotten what we call this. So, but I know there is a story behind this, which I will tell you about later. The story about this very thing you're seeing here. Very powerful something also. It's very powerful. So that's a story for another day. Just remind me. So I continue my journey of going to fetch my water. If it were to be then like this, I'm going to fetch this water like this, I'll be seeing people, either those ones coming back from the stream or the ones going to fetch water like this. But now, hey, borehole don't spoil something for us. So like a lot of people don't go to fetch water again, except those ones that swear with their life that they can never drink any other water except water from this Ederi. Some of this you're seeing today forming big boy. They used to come and fetch water from you all the way from Obolo, far distance, because there's no water there. I started this place. I said, let me see you. Like, this place I used to be scared before. If you're passing, you'll be scared of, like, you don't even want anything like to touch you because you don't know what is the next thing that will happen. But look at everywhere. Like, I miss this stream. Like, I miss this Ederi. So today, I told myself that I must go to this Ederi. For over how many years now like this, I have not. And it's not good. So today I said I must go and fetch water from Ederi today. I want to drink my Ederi river today. One of the best water like this. So when it comes to where I come from, is one of the best water. Like, yes. I started this place again where we used to play. Then we'll sit down and be playing like this. They send us to go and fetch water. We'll be playing. We know that at the end of the day, either we'll come back late or early and receive 1 or 2 beatings, but we must complete that play. So I started that place. I said, no, make I check my area where would they play. Then, so, continue. This place like this, some of these erosion stuffs them like still remain that way. They did not even increase or that. Like, hey, see there's 1 or 2 that we used to pluck here some time ago. Look at this big erosion here. This erosion has been here for years, and it's still there. The good part of it is that it's very neat now. You can sight inside. You can see what is inside now. I think a lot of those trees that were there have been cut off. I don't know how they did it. Cited one thing we used to comprehend. Yes, the eyes of the bird. So I saw it and I pick it. It used to be very beautiful, very rich in color. So started this place again. This place, I remember one day that we passed through this place to go and fetch firewood, and we saw one big snake like that. We ran like mad. I remember that day. I will never forget that day. Hey, go. We saw Shig Banza that day. But look at how that place is very open now, very neat. I don't know which people did the job, but like the place is neat too. Those of you that grew up from this part. I know you remember this road. Most of you will see this place and remember this place. Most of all these big boys and big girls doing big boys and big girls now. Then we were small. Then they used to come and wash their clothes, their school uniform and all that. They will come all the way from Obolo to come and fetch water here. Yes, I remember. You self you remember. So I saw this otoshi, yes, otoshi bamboo. I saw it and I said, okay, all these things are still here. Oh. Hey God. So natural, nothing changed. So natural. So today I'm taking you to the stream where I used to fetch water, drink from the stream and all that. So take a walk with me while I take you on the journey of this my favorite stream. Like then there's one particular place that we used to swim then, but all these things have spoil. Then if you're in the if you're going to fetch water, or maybe you're inside the stream there and maybe it's raining inside the town there, we used to know through the river there. The river will change color and all that, and we'll know that yes, it's raining over there. Look at this place too. This used to be very scary, but it's so open now. Hey. Oh, these people don't even put road inside here. They pass, they go to fetch firewood. Hey, those days, they're not. You see this place now? This place now, let me give you a gist here. This road now, this was the first place we used to follow then. Look at the other side again. Now they are using here, but I just pray this one doesn't don't like make it not even just close, because if anything happens to this particular one I'm following here, that means there's no road again to this stream again, or maybe they will go back to the former one, because so many roads don't cross here. Like I don't even know if they used to use their hand to clear this road, or maybe during the clearing of the road they should find means of giving it another good road again. So as you can see, you're sighting the river. I'm already close to the river like this. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you that this place like this, we used to follow here, but now look at where we're following. So this stone high, we used to sit here. Yes, we must sit there and do small shit. Now I'm inside the river Ederi. Yeah, Ederi. You dare not wash anything that has to do with oil inside this river. I remember that time this is not the place that we used to fetch water then. This one is another one then. That time they used to tell us that there's snake living inside there, All of a sudden the snake will scatter the water. Everything will scatter. You have to wait for the water to clean again before you fetch again. I don't know if it's still happening again. No? So this is the river we call Ederi. Like, hey God, this river has been existing for years. Before even my fathers them, before our ancestors them, let me say it has been existing before them, or they discover it. You can never see anything like sacrifice of mineral, cook, meat, and anything that makes you bring any sacrifice. You're going to eat everything. You eat and drink water. You eat it raw, like you can never see coke and mineral here. What you want to call? You want drinker now? Anything that makes you bring anything sacrifice, just says the one for any sacrifice. Yeah, be ready to eat everything. I want to go and drink, because there's no one who come to fetch this water without drinking, like drinking this water. So I remember that I'm not, so I have to. I can't go home without drinking. So let me go and drink my clean water. Oh, you that no. Ederi. Oh, another round. Oh, chai. On a so. Ew. Yes. That's good. Very clean water. It's just it. I'll come to this river without enjoying this. This is where we used to stand to beat. Like then, they used to tell us that here belongs to the female, and Benjamin and Weshi, the upper one belongs to men. All these boys, then they will come, they will pass and go to the front and be telling us. Then we are small. They were telling us don't want to see people up. If we mistakenly go that up now, they come, they will chase us out of there. They don't even mind for wearing clothes or not. They come on, people should come down to here. That place belongs to the boys. This is for the girls. This place I'm sitting now. Oh, we don't have choice now. We are small then. We'll just stay there and be bathing. Yeah, the only thing that is you wear your clothes, your pant and singlet, yes, and bathe. Then they will go that up. We're going to be forming big boys then, because they used to wear boxers. Don't mind them. So I wash my leg. I'm ready to go. Oh, thank you. So natural. So natural. I miss this place a lot. So today I said, I made up my mind I must visit. And I did. And I love it. So let's go. Thank you, Ederi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fresh water. There's no one will come without fresh water. I fresh water with my sexy pots. My natural beautiful pot. This is the only place, like this is the only stream that I've seen that you can never find sacrifice. Like all these goat, cow, mineral stuff like that. If they catch you, like seriously, right from when I was small, if they catch you, you go chop everything, I swear. If I'm going to be looking, are you sure you will not see snake? Are you sure you don't see snake? But no, I even came to fresh water, I did not even see snake. The only thing I saw is Ayashi, soldier ant, Ayashi. Hey, anything that make that soldier ant, Ayashi to bite you. You go collect, so it pain more than anything. Yes, they're coming back from farm. They went to farm to get food, and there's nothing they used to tell us all the time that any of these soldier ants that bite you, like if you meet them coming back or coming from wherever they're coming from with this food that carrying like this, that if they bite you, you will start having small rashes on your body that will not go quick, something like that. So I saw them, so I said, okay, let's go. They used to say, she said, so bye no. So I said, let me go home and go and rest today. I enjoyed myself today. I enjoyed myself. So let's go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your day with me, going to Ederi to fetch water, to drink water, and to take a look at the Ederi. For over how many years ago I've not been here, like for close to 4 years now, 5 years now. So thank you.